right. Good morning, everybody. All right, let me tell you what's going on this morning on the my very small account challenge. Had one trade. It was on the, and I just entered this not too long ago. It is on the mini NASDAQ and entered at the yellow line. Already hit my target. There is a second target up here. All right, so folks, this is my mini account challenge. Started with $200. Had one trade today already. It was on the mini NASDAQ. Entered at the yellow line. I have two targets. I exited at the very first target, which is the red line, and I do have a second target up here. So anyway, what I'm going to do is on my larger account, I'm going to go for the second target. But on the small account, I'm just going for target number one, and I did hit that target. I am out of this right now, and I am at 314. So that may be my one and only trade. We'll see. If something sets up that I really like this morning, I'll go ahead and take it. But once again, I'm just seeing, I mean, I am at probably the smallest account I could ever imagine. It's going to be very difficult because I'm only starting with $200, but I'm going to see where I can go with it. Last time I did this, I started with 500, and in the end of the month, I was up 100%, made over 500 on it. So I am seeing where I can go. So right now, I'm over 50%, right? Almost 60%, I guess. All right, so let's see where we can go with this, and maybe I can get it up at 100% by the end of the week. So that'll give me today and tomorrow, so we'll see. All right, so that's where we are with that. I don't have any stocks on right now. Well, actually, I do want to buy some Yang, so I'm looking at Yang. Let's see here, YANG. Okay, I'm going to buy 500 shares of Yang. So I'm going to enter Yang, long Yang. Glenn, can you hear me okay? I want to make sure everything's working this morning. I have my daily update. I put it out last night, but it doesn't look like it rendered, so I'm going to try it again. My daily update. Did I say weekly? Daily update. So anyway, it didn't render, so I'm going to see if I can't get this thing to work one more time this morning.
SPRC.
CAUD. LTBR. Adding 500 on BNED. Get some targets on this BNED. All right. Target number 140. Target number 2, 144. And we'll go one more. $152. Yang is going to be a slower mover, so I'm going to be holding that throughout the day, more than likely. We'll see what BNED wants to do. We buy is on my radar this morning. I think I may stay away from WeBuy at this point. We'll keep an eye on it though. Keep it on our radar. Right now, I'm not going to do anything on WeBuy. Not a whole lot yet going on. Hanging tight. Still have a little bit to go here before the opening bell. Right now, let's see. Small Dow is only down 9. It's been there. It's been changed. Wouldn't be surprised to see it pop to the upside today.
EJH.
All right, so light positions on right now. BNED, YANG. Nothing going on my small account. EJH, check that out. Still very quiet this morning. EJH. I mean, I like the looks of EJH. Let's pull that up. EJH, but thin on the volume right now. Very thin on the volume. $55 is my closest target on EJH, if you're interested. I'm gonna go one more. Let's make that 50. Let's make that 56. 56. Put 55 in there as well. Really very tight two targets. Let's see if I can get one more. Yeah, I only have two targets on that EJH, but like I said, I'm not trading it. I like the chart, but there's no volume. There's no volume. Keeping an eye on BNED. Next target up is 144. And then maybe up to 152. Barnes and Noble. Yeah, I think I may do another Christmas special. We had one for Black Friday. I think we'll do a special. We'll do a special. Give everybody the opportunity to follow us for a while. So if you're new to watching my trading, my background is I started off as a broker way back in the 80s, and I've been trading now for over 40 years. I've developed my own approach to trading, which simplify the process. I have 4 patterns that I've discovered that I use, and that in combination with something we call Einstein, or the Einstein formula. Not developed by me, but by a very successful day trader. And that gives me high probability targets. They say it's easy to get into the market, hard to get out of. Well, Einstein solves that problem of getting out because it gives me very high probability targets. And when I say high probability, I'm talking over 70% that I'm going to hit my targets. BNED already hit its target. Second target also has over 70% probability of being hit today. So I'm going to see if I can get BNED up a little bit higher here. Sometimes it pulls back and then it takes a while before it gets up to those targets. So the further out that I go, always that possibility it could take a little bit longer. So I try to trade when I'm trading stocks. I like to get in the most active. I like to see some pretty decent volume in the morning, low floaters, because the low floaters are going to move quicker.
LTBR.
LTBR, that's on my radar. LTBR, problem with LTBR, big spread on the bid and the ask and no volume. Just no volume. Lightbridge Corporation. So I'm not seeing anything I really like. YANG just kind of hanging in there. Yang, I could go all the way up to 1446. All right, I'm going to take a real quick break here before the opening bell, so give me just a second. I'll be right back. Okay, come on, I'll get you out.
SYTA. SYTA.
right, getting ready for the opening bell. I'm going to jump over to our Discord now. So nothing new. Let's see. Coming in long, YANG, BNED. Nothing new on ADEX. Started yesterday at 200 up to 314. Very, very small challenge, but we'll see. I don't know if I'm going to have any more trades today. We'll see what the action looks like this morning. All right, that's going to wrap it up. Any questions, please go to my YouTube channel, Innovative Trading Strategies, or my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com, and we will see everybody tomorrow morning. Thanks, Glenn. See you later, bud.